If your watch hours are disappearing, this video will show you why, and more importantly, how you can fix it fast. So if you go to your dashboard and see that your monetization watch hour is always disappearing, just keep on watching on this video so that you learn a lot from it. Okay, so you are putting in the work, uploading videos, staying consistent, but when you check your analytics, your watch hours are either stuck or worse, going down. It's frustrating, confusing, and honestly it feels unfair. Yes, so you need 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months to monetize on YouTube. And when you see those watch hours drop, it can feel like everything you've built is slipping away, honestly. But you don't need to panic. There are very real, very fixable reasons this is happening. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 reasons your watch hours keep reducing, and I'll break down exactly what you can do, practical steps you can take to stop it. Okay, so most of these aren't talked about much, and a few of them could be happening right now without you even realizing it. So let's dive straight into the reason number 1. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're coming across my face for the very first time, this is the Creative Susan's YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So let's get straight into the video. So the number 1 reason is expired watch hours. Okay, so YouTube calculates watch hours based on the past 12 months. Okay, so not your entire channel history. All right, so if a video did well 30 months ago, those watch hours are now gone. It's not a penalty, it's just how the system works, how YouTube system works. Okay, so you can fix this by keep uploading. Okay, focus on evergreen content that build long-term value. So reinvigorate old topics with new formats to stay relevant. So let's go over to reason number 2. Is deleted or unlisted videos. Yes, this could be one of the reasons. So if you unlist or delete a video, any watch time it gains is removed from the public watch hours total. A lot of creators clean up their channel and don't realize they are cutting into their monetization progress. Okay, so one of the ways you can fix this, if a video is doing poorly, consider making it private instead. That way you pause its visibility without losing the watch hours. Okay, so the third reason, videos set to private by mistake. So you didn't know, sometimes during upload or bulk edits, videos can get marked as private without you noticing it. So private videos don't count towards your public watch hours. So how you can fix this one is to double check your video visibility settings and make sure everything intended for public viewing is actually public. Okay, so check this, it could be one of the reasons. Reason number 4 is copyright claims or policy violation. Guys, if your videos have copyright issues or community strikes, YouTube may stop counting their watch time towards monetization for that particular video. Okay, so use copyright-free music, avoid reused content, and always stay in line with YouTube's guidelines. Okay, if a strike happens, appeal it only if you're absolutely sure you're in the clear. The 5th reason is fake watch time from bots or third parties buying watch hours or using shady promotion services might temporarily work, but YouTube will definitely detect it, and when they do, all of those watch hours will be removed. So you end up wasting your money. Worst of all is that your channel could be penalized for those actions. So how you can fix this is grow organically, use good titles, solid thumbnails, and focus on audience retention. Okay, real viewers, real watch time. Okay, so to recap on what we've discussed in this video, your watch hours can drop for 5 main reasons. That is old hours aging out, unlisted or deleted videos, private uploads, policy issues, or artificial watch time. Okay, so if you've been seeing your number falls and wondering if you did something wrong, chances are it's one of these 5 we discussed in this video. The good news is every single one has a solution. So now is the time to audit your channel. Yes, go to your analytics, audit your channel, look at your visibility settings, check your analytics for top performing videos and don't stop uploading, guys, because consistency and clarity are your best tools to get back on track. Okay, monetization isn't out of reach because many have reached that goal and many more persons are on the journey with you. So you see, you're not alone on this. So you don't need to understand how YouTube system works and work smart within it. Okay, so thanks for sticking through to the end. I hope this gave you clarity and, more importantly, a plan to work on. So thank you so much for sticking around till the end. If you like this video, if you gain value from this video, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.